What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to go ahead and move forward with the skincare product declutter. I have 5 drawers of skincare products that we get to go through today. This is drawer number 1. I want to point out a couple of quick things here. I am pre-filming these declutters, not all at once, but pretty close together. So if you see products that like I picked up during Black Friday or that have been mentioned previously that are not in here, they're either currently in use or this video was pre-filmed before I got them because I'm filming this like right before Black Friday. So if it looks like I'm missing products, that would be why. Also, number 2, today, listen, whenever I do my skincare declutters or like really any of my declutters, I always save older stuff if I like it, right? And so a lot of my collection is just old. And I'm going to try to go through and get rid of a lot of the older products today. It doesn't necessarily mean that there's something wrong with the product. If I end up decluttering it, it doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong with it. It could just be that the product is old and it needs to be removed from the collection and just kind of trash. So my goal is to not need to do that anymore, but a lot of this stuff, like especially moisturizers and masks, a lot of them are just old and they need to go, and I need to kind of replenish my stash with some newer stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into drawer number 1. This drawer is toners and sprays, and there's a lot of them in here. I will say, I still love the way that this drawer is organized, but it definitely needs to be cleared out a little bit because some of this stuff is very old. In this little section, I have some mists. I've got a lot of my Pixie, my Milani, my Clean Skin Club, and then this brand whose name I cannot pronounce, but they've got really bougie products. All of these, I think I am going to hang on to because those are all, I think the oldest is the Pixie, but the Pixie should be okay. And this one, I have Sweet Chef Ole Henriksen. This is a Pure Nurture facial water. I need to remember when I got that. I know this Kula one is pretty new. I know both of these are pretty new. Although if we're being honest, both of these are so tiny. I think I'm going to go ahead and pass these along because I like having, with mists, I like having like regular sized ones. Do you know what I mean? I also just got this Cover FX Crystal Infused Elixir Mist. I want to try this out, but I feel like I'm going to let go of those two, and I feel like I'm going to go ahead and let go of this one because I'm pretty sure this is an older one. Like the rest of them. This Fenty one is brand new. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I don't like these. I don't like using like pads like this, so I'm going to go ahead and pass along both of those. I have a second one of the Fenty Beauty Mists, and I purchased one, got one in a BoxyCharm because I wanted to try it that badly. I have a couple big Pixie toners. I'm going to keep those. Rovectin, that one was gifted to me. I am going to hang on to that. The Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner, I do want to try that, and that one's pretty new. This Swarovski one's pretty new, and then this Pharmacy Deep Sweep is pretty new. So I'm going to hang on to all 3 of those. This Model Off Duty Beauty Toner is, I think, probably one of my older ones. This one was gifted to me, so I do want to keep this because I tried it. I do like it, but I think that's going to be like the one that I use up next. Rovectin Clean I'm going to hang on to, and then these Good Molecule ones for sure I'm going to hang on to. Tula Resurfacing Gel. I love Tula, so yes, absolutely I'm hanging on to that one. Okay, so this drawer is done. I'm only getting rid of 5 products in this drawer, but in the next couple drawers you can kind of get a closer look, and hopefully this will be a little bit easier for you guys to see. This drawer is serums and oils, facial oils. I have a lot more serums than I do facial oils, and this desperately needs to be gone through. Again, I'm going to remove the first 2 sections, then we're going to kind of go from there. This section is oils. This one is like brand spanking new. I'm going to keep that because I want to try it. This one's pretty new. This is a serum though. And these are supposed to be separated, like serums in the front, oils in the back. As of right now, they're not. I don't remember what this one is. I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along because I don't remember what that one is. This is a night oil from the same brand, so I'm going to hang on to that. Murad serum, I'm going to hang on to that, but it's going to go in the serums. Oh, wait, how old is this? No, that's new. That's new. That's new. I don't remember how old this one is, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that one along. This one's pretty new. I'm going to hang on to that. Same with the Rain Organica one. Same with the Good Molecules one. Same with the Beauty Bakery. I really want to try the Beauty Bakery one, so I'm going to hang on to that. This is another Herbivore one. I'm going to hang on to this one. This little section, again, there's so many things in here that are not serums. This Elemis oil I really like. I'm going to hang on to that one. This high cannabis facial oil, I really want to try. I'm going to hang on to that one. This is the Aster Rain Firm and Glow facial oil. This one's pretty new, and again, I want to try it, so I'm going to hang on to that. The Indie Lee facial oil, this is very new. I'm going to hang on to that one. The Milani Green Goddess Glow Oil, again, very new. I'm going to hang on to that. This is the Teamy Glow. I'm using the Teamy Repair Oil right now. This is what I'm currently using in the daytime, and I actually really like it, so I'm going to hang on to it because that's been working pretty well for me. This Do Mighty Bloom, it's a serum bar. And I just feel like I'm never actually going to use it. Like, it's a cute concept, but I'm going to go ahead and pass it along because I think that like something like this is just much more convenient. So that one's going to go. The Cottage Greenhouse facial serums. I'm going to smell these really quick because the Cottage Greenhouse products are always super scented. It's not super scented, but it's really thick for an oil. I'm going to go ahead and pass these along. I just don't feel like I'm really going to enjoy these a whole lot. Sunday Riley serum for sure keeping. I need to use that though. Herbal Dynamic Beauty. This one I do want to try. I'm going to hang on to this one, and I feel like that's pretty new. And then all of these are relatively new, so I'm going to hang on to these. Okay, the Sensuals Radiance Facial Serum. I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along. I don't know why. I just don't feel like I'm going to like that as much as I think I will, so I'm going to pass it along. Glow Recipe. I have been wanting to try this one forever, so I'm going to hang on to that. The Aster Rain Reverse Serum. Again, I'm going to hang on to that. Here's another Sunday Riley A+ serum. I'm going to hang on to that. I also have two Sunday Riley CEO serums. I love these. I'm going to hang on to that. The Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. I'm going to hang on to that. Okay, this, I got this from like a FabFitFun. I think I'm going to pass it along. Yeah, I'm going to. I don't really have much of an interest in trying it, unfortunately. So that one can go. And then all of these at the front. This one I'm keeping. This I just got in a subscription box, the detox box, I think. And I really do want to try it. So I am going to hang on to this one. I have some Drunk Elephant ones that I really want to try. So I'm going to hang on to those. The Murad one I really want to try. So I'm going to hang on to that. Here's another Murad one. And then I've got some from Fourth Ray Beauty. One from Dirty Lamb and one from Biro. I do want to try out all of these, so I'm going to hang on to those. Then I've got a couple of new ones. The Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum and the Buddha Vitamin C Serum. I love vitamin C and I really want to try out this, so I'm going to hang on to both of those. I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I really want to try this, so I'm going to hang on to that. And then I have this, the LXMI 33 face oil. I really want to try that, so I'm going to hang on to that one as well. We're getting rid of 7 products from this drawer. That's better. That's good. That's good? I feel like that's good. This next drawer is moisturizers and eye creams. Okay, this is really where we're going to get into the nitty gritty of it because so much of this stuff is just old and need to go. It needs to go. The Sunday Riley Tidal. This is the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. That is not good anymore. Oh, that makes me so sad, but that's what happens. You know what I mean? It was this was one of those products that I didn't want to waste, so I didn't use it, and look at where we are now. So that's gonna go. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This one I think is newer, and it seems to be still in okay condition, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to that one. The Drunk Elephant Pro-Teeny. This one's still in good condition. I'm gonna hang on to that. Pharmacy Daily Greens. I think this is newer. Yeah, this is fine. And I love pharmacy products, so I'm going to hang on to this one. Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Still good. And I love Murad products. Like, seriously, one of the best just basic skincare brands ever. I looked up how to pronounce this brand. Chantecaille. This is the Flower Harmonizing Cream. It has not been opened. It looks like it's still good. I really do want to try this, so I am going to hang on to this. I need to use that like soon. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. This one is pretty new. I'm going to hang on to this one because I like First Aid Beauty. Oh, the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. I've heard really good things about this, and this again is, I feel like, pretty new, so I'm going to hang on to that. Volition Celery Green Cream. This looks like it's in pretty good condition and I want to try it, so that one I will hang on to. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream is just so thick. I do like it, but I use it as like a nighttime moisturizer. I am going to hang on to this one because it's expensive, and like I said, I do enjoy it. This is the Moonlit Glow Balm from Hanwha Skincare. This one still feels like it's good. I'm going to hang on to this one. And I need to go through my stuff upstairs that I'm currently using and kind of go through and declutter some of that stuff. This First Aid Beauty, I'm going to keep. I like the First Aid Beauty moisturizers. It's just the other stuff that bugs me. I also have a couple from 111 Skin. Again, these are like, look at how gross that is. I wanted to use it, but I didn't want to waste it. So that one's trash now. And this is the Y Theorem Day Cream. I got these around the same time. I'm going to go ahead and just toss this one out too. It makes me nervous. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove this because this is eye creams, so we'll come back to that. Saturday Skin Pretty Pop. I just got this one. I'm going to hang on to it. I have all these Murads, and honestly, I don't remember how old they are. I'm going to go ahead and toss them. I love these, but I don't know how old they are, and it makes me nervous because I know I've had them for a while, so those are all going to go. The Item Light Sauce, this one is fairly new. I'm going to hang on to that. This Vitamin C Night Moisturizer by Dr. Eve, I just don't have much of an interest in. I'm going to go ahead and pass that one along. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen is one of my absolute favorites. I'm keeping that one. This First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer is pretty new. I'm going to hang on to that. This facial lotion is also pretty new. I'm going to hang on to this one. And then in here, the Kate Somerville, pretty sure this one is new. I'm going to hang on to this one. That one I know is new from Aster Rain. And then this one is also newer. So I'm going to hang on to those. I also just got the Fourth Aid Beauty, the Daily Facial Moisturizer. So I'm going to hang on to that. And then eye creams, the Elemis Eye Revive Mask. I just got this. I'm hanging on to that. Let's go ahead and pull all these out. Oh, the Pharmacy. These are the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C eye creams. I'm keeping these. I love this eye cream. This one I've been wanting to try, and it's fairly new. The Drunk Elephant, I want to try. This eye contour cream, this is fairly new. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and pass it along. I just don't care enough. The Tula, okay, listen, I'm using the blue version of this right now. It's fabulous. I'm keeping that one for sure. These are new ones that I really have been like wanting to try. The Revolution one I purchased, the Good Molecules one was gifted to me, but I was planning to buy it anyways, so I'm cool with that. I'm keeping both of these. I love using products like that in the morning. This eye cream, I'm going to go ahead and pass along because I don't know what this is. And then the Hey Honey one, I really like Hey Honey. I'm going to hang on to that. And then I also just got a Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I'm going to hang on to this one. Okay, we only got rid of 9 products from this drawer. I'll be honest, I thought we were going to get rid of more, but I feel like during my last declutter, I did a little bit better than I expected. So let's see how this drawer holds up. This drawer is masks. That's all this is, and a lot of these are old. So again, let's start with this, I guess. Okay, these Feel masks, I love these, but these are pretty old. That is way bad and disgusting. So this Feel Restored, that one's gonna go ahead and go. The Feel Harmony, I feel like I got around the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and let this one go as well. Too Faced Pineapple Glow. This one, I feel like is relatively newer and it still looks good. I'm gonna try it. The Bliss Mighty Marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And this one I think is pretty new. So I'm going to go ahead and hang on to this one. Pharmacy Honey Potion is also pretty new. So I'm going to hang on to that one. Oh, the Florence by Mills. This is the Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. Oh shit. This one is very new. I'm going to hang on to it. I just made a huge mess, but I've been wanting to try this, so definitely gonna hang on to it. I definitely know that there's some masks upstairs that are just old at this point that need to go. This Skin Essence one is pretty new and I want to try it. I'm gonna hang on to that. This Cottage Greenhouse mask, I feel like is gonna be one of the ones that I end up using next. And then this one is the Orange Blossom and Honey. The Cottage Greenhouse masks I do like. Ugh, that one does not look good. So this one's gonna go ahead and go. That is completely hardened. So that one's gonna go ahead and go. Rain Organica Firefly. This is like a mask powder. I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to this one. And actually, you know what? I got all the Cottage Greenhouse ones around the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass that one along as well. Oh, the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. One of my absolute favorites. Is it still good is the question. I can't even get that cap off. So that's gonna go ahead and go. Gotta make sure you're using your stuff, guys. Oh, this is so sad. Love and Charcoal Mask. That's like really gross around the edges. I don't trust it. That one's gonna go. I have to put this shit on my face. Okay, these are both pretty new. Nope, that is bad. That's disgusting. And what about this one? That one looks okay. I'm gonna hang on to this one. Well, that was a lot of masks. Okay, let's take a look in here. This Tula one is fairly new. I'm going to hang on to this one. This Grown Alchemist one, I have 2 of these. These are both fairly new. I'm going to keep both of those because I love me some Grown Alchemist. This is the Forest Rhapsody Good Earth. This one is like brand spanking new. I'm going to hang on to that because I want to try it. Oh, here's another Forest Rhapsody one. Hang on to both of those. The Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. I've really been wanting to try this, so I'm going to hang on to that. Another Grown Alchemist, which I'm going to keep. The Charlotte Tilbury, which I'm going to keep. And then the One Kind. All of these. Okay, so the ones at the very front are like new. This Grace and Stella Blackhead mask, I'm going to go ahead and pass along. It's just really harsh. I prefer clay masks. I love these masks, but I think I like clay masks a little bit better. Generation Clay. That one's still good. I'm going to keep this because I really like that one. This one, I'm going to go ahead and pass along. It's been in here for a while. Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. That's like brand new, but I feel like I've had it for a while, so that one's going to go. I Do Care Disco Kitten. I really like the I Do Care masks, but I can't open this, so it's gonna go. God only knows how long it's been in here. The Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. I feel like this one is still good, and I do like it, so I'm gonna hang on to it. Drunk Elephant, I'm gonna keep that one. And then this one is the Pacifica Sea Purify Clay Mask. I'm gonna hang on to it because I wanna try it. We'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna move some of these new ones to the back. Well, we did a pretty good job with masks, didn't we? I also have this mask. This is from Kinship. This one was upstairs. I talked about it in one of my favorites though. I'm going to take it back upstairs because it's almost empty. Well, it's like halfway there. And I want to use it up because I love this one. Okay, we got rid of 12 masks, which I feel like is pretty good. This next drawer is the miscellaneous drawer. So I have all of my eye gels. I'm not getting rid of any of these because I purchased all of these myself except for maybe like 1 pair. And I actually just got the Derm E ones. So I'm going to hang on to all of these though because I use these on a regular basis. I use up 1 a month and I buy them all myself. This is the Murad Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. I'm going to pass this along because I like the pimple patches, and I just bought some new ones, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that one along. The Wander Beauty Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. I'm going to keep that. This is also a blemish spot treatment. That one's also going to go because I just don't need it. I have a couple of sleeping masks. All of these are relatively new. I've got a Bliss one, Glow Recipe Avocado Melt. I really want to try that one. This is from Saturday Skin, the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. This one is from Korres, and then I just got this little Ulta Watermelon Refresh one I want to try as well. Again, all of these were hand-picked by me, so I'm going to be keeping those. This little bit is like boosters and ampules, so I've got a bunch from 111 Skin. I've got a couple of the Good Jeans from Sunday Riley. Those are probably my oldest. I'm going to keep those and try to use those next. Drunk Elephant I'm keeping. I'm keeping all the ones from 111 Skin because I know that I like them. I really want to try this one actually. From Skin Regimen, the HA Booster. And then there's another 111 Skin one. And then this is Rovectin Clean. I just got this. I am going to hang on to this because I do want to try it. And then in here are essences. Again, all of my essences are handpicked by me because essences are very hard to get in subscription boxes and things like that. So I have this Big Hand Skin, which I talked about and I shot my samples and I loved, so I bought the full size. Saturday Skin Daily Dew. I want to try that. And then the Sunday Riley Pink Drink I really want to try. And then I just got the 111 Skin Essence from Boxy. So I'm gonna keep all of those, maybe if I can fit them all in here. Okay, so here is all of these skincare that we are going to go ahead and declutter. It's not as much as I thought, but maybe that's a good thing. Even so, it's a good amount, so I'm pretty proud of myself. There is a grand total of 34 products here, and they're all full size. So I feel like that's decent progress. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me. There are more declutter videos coming up in this series. And this wasn't the greatest, but I still feel like it was a pretty good effort. 34 products. I'm happy with it, okay? Now let's see how much of the other stuff that we can actually use up before it does end up going bad. So I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great one. Goodbye.